In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to place a trade on Tradovate. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to tradovate.com and then log into your account. Once you do that, you'll need to go down to either live trading or simulation down here. From here you can click start trading, and from here it should bring something like this inside of the dashboard. Once you're in here, you'll need to go up to the left hand corner where it says trading, and then from here you can simply choose either simply or advanced trading. For this tutorial I'm just going to choose simple, but from here you'll simply need to go over to here and write in the symbol that you want to trade. You can see here all the popular instruments, all of these futures that you can choose from. From here you'll need to be selected buy instead of sell, and here you'll need to add in the quantity of how many of these futures that you want to buy. From here you can also choose a price. You can choose an order type, where you can choose from here, I'll just choose markets. You can add flags and a release if you want to do that. From here you'll simply need to click send, and then from here it will go over to order tickets or orders down here. Once the order is filled, it will go over and update into the positions, and then you will see a live updated view of that specific position. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!